No. Do you like to have some fun? Send me a naughty pic. Well then, thank you everyone for the opportunity you've given me. Nothing makes me happier than seeing how much you all love my posts. What? Send me a naughty pic. I'm happy to announce that starting now, I'll be uploading these to my very own subreddit, r/preyingmantis. What? What do you mean? And for the even better news, you guys can even start uploading your own mantis-plaining works of art too. Shush, Rodrigo, I'm talking to Reddit now. Okay, so we're going to talk or no? I'll be looking forward to seeing your posts, suggestions, and ideas. Thank you all so much. This means the work to me. I'm making a post and you're interrupting me. Shush! Either way, we're also now recruiting. If you have some time to spare and want to contribute, I'm looking for mods to help me run this beautiful thing. If you want to apply, just message me. So before this gets too long, thank you guys so much! I can't stress this enough. Thank you. Y'all rock. Loads of love. Mona the Mantis. Okay. Are you real or fake? Oh, I'm real. And you just made my day. Okay. Really, but why though? You helped me create my announcement post to my own subreddit. Yo, Dick's gonna be famous. Why? Are you a girl? Hey. Heyo. How are you, sexy? I do a honey mask once a month and I jump rope 10 minutes each day. The rest is genetic. Wanna have some fun? Oh, I hate having fun. I always ruin parties on purpose. Why? I feed on the suffering. Oh. May I see you? Sorry, but I only share pictures on April 31st. Better luck next year. Oh, what kind of pics? These. Oh, send nudes. Oh, certainly, man with middle finger. Let me just get a... Oh, fuck, I dropped my cards everywhere. If the photo hasn't been deleted yet, it will load within a few seconds and will be visible only to the recipient. You on my face? Yes. Boy, you thought. You. Send. Your pussy. Here. Baby. Razagana. Milk is the semen of the tit. Hi. I'm a 45 married male. In Istanbul. You. Oh my god, same. Okay. No. Hi. Hello. Your eyes. Beautiful. Thank you. Your preference when it comes to dick. Ugh. Big one or a normal one? I prefer them really small, like really tiny. Why? Like, as small as they can get. Like clit dicks? Ugh, peanut penis. Oh, okay. I like them being that small so I can feed them to my mantis. It's like giving them a fat caterpillar. Oh, they love it. It's juicy, so it gives them all the moisture they need since they don't tend to drink. I love watching my pets eat. You wanna play a truth or dare? Sure. Truth. You first. Oh, you first. That's why I said truth. I'm going first. Okay. Truth or dare? I said truth like thrice now. Is it true you like dick? Yes. Okay. Go. Hello? Truth or dare? Dare. I dare you to put a burning candle up your anus. And film it for proof, of course. No. Lol. Lol. Ha ha ha. Ha-haj. I just gave you a dare. Now you do it. I do another dare, but do a different question. To get it all east and sad, you can start without the flame. Get a birthday candle. They're thin and some are textured too. It'll be fun. Come on. Don't you like having fun? I come. I'll sing while you put it in your ass. You'll come eventually. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. No. Happy birthday, dear army boy. Happy birthday to you. Truth or dare? It's still your turn. Oh my god. I'll wait for the video. To come? Happy birthday to you. Bye bye. You too much. Ah, God. Beautiful. Fuck off.